Hello, I'm Sarah Dawn of Sarah Dawn's Designs, and today we're talking how to make I-cord for the ties in the Palomar top pattern. We're working in the absolutely gorgeous Bella Tweed yarn from Universal Yarns, and using a set of Knit Pro Ginger double-pointed knitting needles to work the cord. Let's start with the cast on. Using the cast on of your choice, cast on 4 stitches for the start of the I-cord onto a double-pointed needle. Next, knit those 4 stitches, but don't turn your work. Bring the yarn behind the work and knit those same 4 stitches again. Congratulations! You've made the first row of an I-cord. Now, for the Palomar top, you need 36 inches of I-cord, so you're going to be knitting for a while. This is a good time to put on a podcast and just power through it. Once you reach the length you need, cast off. I used a basic cast off here. Cut your yarn and pull the end through the remaining stitch. And congratulations! You've made your I-cord. Now go make another one for the other side of the Palomar top. If this is your second I-cord, yay, you made it! Now go assemble your Palomar top and celebrate another finished object. And if you want to read more about the saga of knitting the Palomar top, you can check out the entire blog series over on the Knit Much blog. Good luck with your top and happy knitting!